Turn up to this one, Worcester Bosch Green Star 37 CDI, no heating was the fault. Get to the boiler, the radiator was turned down, so I've turned that up, but still nothing. Go down to the programmable roomstat, which is the old Datatherm, there's no display. Boiler's just sat idling. So I'm gonna have to take the cover off of the Datatherm to get inside to do some testing. It's just one screw and then the case pops off. First time you see inside one of these, it all looks really daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. First thing I'm going to check is I got permanent live to the Datatherm, which I do. And then I'm going to check LS. So that's a live supply from the boiler to the Datatherm. And it should come back on LR, which is this one, but we got no voltage. So we've diagnosed the Datatherm being at fault, but I'm going to link those two cables together and now try. This removes any doubt that it could be anything else, because by linking these two together, you've literally bypassed the Datatherm completely, giving the boiler a constant call for heating. Green light means go, so we're going to whip this Datatherm off and get it changed. Customer was going to start decorating the hallway, so they're kind of glad that it's gone. My go-to replacement for this is the neomitis RT7 RF Plus. So looking at this diagram, we want grey to be 3 and 4 to be black. So 4 is black LR, grey is 3 LS. If you're new to Datatherms, there's 2 screws in the bottom and then there's one hidden behind the PCB at the top, and then the whole unit comes away. So this looks a bit more complicated, but it's not. So we're going to link the 2 permanent lives together, so the boiler's still got permanent live, and then the neutrals and the earths all go together as well. And then you've obviously got your black and your grey going in. Like we said, grey goes to 3, which is your live out, and then your live return goes back on black when you call in for heating. With that all wired together, we're going to turn it on. Another thing I love about these, to pair them together, you literally just press and hold the button until it goes green. And then you get the RF programmable stat, and then you press and hold that. And then the display will change to paired once it's paired. I mean, you literally can't get any easier than that. Pop the slider up on the side to constant. Then I'm going to turn the heating up just to make sure it fires. Flame symbol appears when there's a call. That's the heating on, now controlled by the programmable roomstat. That's another one done. Happy days.